23 foods that increase uric acid levels in the body. Uric acid is a natural byproduct of the breakdown of purines in the body. Purines are present in the body and can also be found in certain foods. They can also be created when DNA breaks down. While a certain level of uric acid is normal and necessary for proper bodily functions, excessive levels can lead to gout, kidney stones, and joint inflammation. Various factors can contribute to the buildup of uric acid in the body, such as dietary choices, genetic predisposition, and obesity. Certain health disorders can also elevate uric acid levels, including kidney disease, diabetes mellitus, hypothyroidism, certain types of cancers, chemotherapy, and psoriasis. To manage uric acid levels, limiting dietary sources of purines is advisable. Purine-rich foods encompass certain meats, seafood, and vegetables, which produce uric acid during digestion. However, a 2020 study suggests that decreasing the intake of purine-rich vegetables may not significantly impact uric acid levels. In this video, we'll explore 23 common foods that may increase uric acid levels, along with tips on how to avoid overconsumption and alternative options. 1. Red meat. Red meat, such as beef, lamb, and pork, is a rich source of essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting energy production, maintaining healthy red blood cells, and supporting the immune system. However, red meat is also high in purines, which can increase uric acid levels. Lean protein sources like poultry, tofu, or legumes can be healthier alternatives. 2. Organ meats. Organ meats like liver, kidney, and sweetbreads are highly concentrated sources of vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in iron, vitamin A, vitamin B12, and copper. These nutrients are important for maintaining healthy blood cells, supporting vision, promoting nerve function, and supporting immune function. However, organ meats are also high in purines, which can contribute to increased uric acid levels. Lean cuts of meat or plant-based protein sources can be suitable replacements. 3. Shellfish. Shellfish, including shrimp, crab, and lobster, are nutrient-dense foods. They are excellent sources of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and vitamin B12. Protein builds and repairs tissues, while omega-3 maintains heart health and supports brain function. Selenium contains antioxidant properties, while vitamin B12 is crucial for producing red blood cells and maintaining nerve function. However, shellfish also have moderate to high levels of purines. Consider opting for low purine seafood like salmon to manage uric acid. 4. Beer. While beer is not a significant source of essential nutrients, it does provide some minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Potassium is important for maintaining proper fluid balance and supporting heart health. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body and plays a role in muscle and nerve function. Phosphorus is essential for bone health and energy metabolism. However, beer, especially darker varieties, contain high amounts of purines, which can increase uric acid production. So, limiting beer consumption is advisable. 5. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as sodas and fruit juices with added sugars, are typically low in nutrients. They are high in simple sugars and provide empty calories. Regular consumption of these beverages can contribute to increased uric acid production. Opting for water, herbal tea, or natural fruit juices without added sugars can help manage uric acid levels. 6. Yeast-rich foods. Foods containing high amounts of yeast, such as bread, pastries, and certain baked goods, may increase uric acid levels. Yeast is a natural source of purines, which can contribute to uric acid production. Choosing yeast-free options or whole grain alternatives is recommended to manage uric acid. 7. High-fat dairy products. Full-fat milk, cheese, and butter are rich in calcium, protein, and vitamin D. Getting enough calcium is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D plays a vital role in supporting calcium absorption and promoting good bone health. However, high-fat dairy products have also been associated with increased uric acid levels. These products contain substances that can hinder uric acid excretion. Opting for low-fat or plant-based alternatives like almond milk or tofu can be beneficial for managing uric acid. 8. Fructose-rich fruits. While fruits are generally healthy, those high in fructose, such as bananas, grapes, and oranges, can contribute to higher uric acid levels. Fructose is processed in the body and can increase purine production. Choosing lower fructose fruits like berries or apples can help regulate uric acid levels. 9. High fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup, commonly found in processed foods, sweets, and desserts, has been linked to increased uric acid production. Regular consumption of foods with high fructose corn syrup can raise uric acid levels. Opting for foods without added sugars or those sweetened with natural alternatives like stevia can be beneficial. 10. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-rich vegetable, providing vitamins A, C, K, and folate, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. It also contains dietary fiber and antioxidants. However, spinach contains moderate levels of purines, which can contribute to uric acid production when consumed in excess. Balancing spinach intake with other low-purine greens like kale or lettuce can help manage uric acid levels. 11. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It also provides smaller amounts of other essential nutrients like folate and potassium. While cauliflower is generally a healthy choice, excessive consumption may contribute to increased uric acid levels due to its moderate purine content. Including other low-purine vegetables like broccoli or Brussels sprouts can help diversify your diet. 12. Asparagus. Asparagus is a nutrient-dense vegetable that provides vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate and potassium. It is also a source of dietary fiber. However, asparagus contains moderate levels of purines, which may lead to increased uric acid levels when consumed in excess. Moderation is key. Incorporating other low-purine vegetables into your meals can help manage uric acid. 13. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories and provide various nutrients, including B vitamins, copper, potassium, and selenium. They are also a source of dietary fiber. However, certain varieties like shiitake or portobello mushrooms contain moderate levels of purines, which can contribute to higher uric acid levels with excessive consumption. Limiting mushroom intake or trying low-purine alternatives like snap peas is advisable. 14. Lentils. Lentils are a valuable source of plant-based protein and other nutrients, but they contain moderate levels of purines. Including lentils in a balanced diet is generally beneficial, but excessive intake can contribute to higher uric acid levels. Consuming lentils in moderation and incorporating other low-purine legumes like chickpeas or black beans is recommended. 15. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a whole grain that provides dietary fiber, complex carbohydrates, and B vitamins. It also contains minerals like iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. While oatmeal offers various health benefits, excessive consumption may contribute to increased uric acid production due to its moderate purine content. Balancing oatmeal intake with other low-purine grains like quinoa or rice can help manage uric acid. 16. Anchovies and sardines. Anchovies and sardines are oily fish that provide omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and minerals like calcium and selenium. Omega-3 fatty acids support heart health and brain function. However, these fish are high in purines, which can raise uric acid levels. If you enjoy seafood, consider lower purine options like salmon or trout, which also provide essential nutrients. 17. Mussels and scallops. Mussels and scallops are shellfish that contain relatively high purine content. Consuming these shellfish frequently can contribute to increased uric acid levels. Exploring alternative seafood choices like cod or tilapia can help maintain balanced uric acid levels. 18. Game meat. Game meats like venison, rabbit, and pheasant are lean sources of protein and provide various vitamins and minerals, including iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. However, They are high in purines, which can lead to higher uric acid levels. If you occasionally consume game meat, being mindful of portion sizes can help manage uric acid levels. 19. Gravy and sauces. Gravy and certain sauces, particularly those made from meat drippings or concentrated stocks, may contain high levels of purines. While they do not provide significant nutrients on their own, they can contribute to increased uric acid levels when consumed in excess. Opting for lighter sauces or homemade versions using low purine ingredients can help manage uric acid. 20. Certain beans. Certain beans, such as kidney beans and navy beans, are excellent sources of plant-based protein, dietary fiber, folate, and minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. However, they also contain moderate levels of purines. Enjoying them in moderation and considering lower purine legumes like black-eyed peas can be beneficial for managing uric acid. 21. Processed meats. Processed meats like sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats are typically high in sodium and unhealthy fats. They do not provide significant nutrients and are often associated with adverse health effects when consumed regularly. Processed meats are also high in purines, which can contribute to increased uric acid levels. Minimizing their consumption and choosing fresh, lean meats as alternatives can help manage uric acid. 22. Certain nuts. Some nuts, including peanuts and cashews, provide healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals such as magnesium and potassium. However, these nuts have been associated with higher uric acid levels due to their purine content when consumed in excess. Opting for lower purine nuts like almonds or walnuts can satisfy your snack cravings while managing uric acid levels. 23. Certain sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin do not provide significant nutrients. They are used as low-calorie alternatives to sugar. While they are generally considered safe for consumption, some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may affect uric acid levels in susceptible individuals. Considering natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation can be a wiser choice. In conclusion, being mindful of the foods we consume plays a vital role in managing uric acid levels in the body. By understanding which foods can increase uric acid production, implementing moderation, and opting for lower purine alternatives, we can support our overall health and reduce the risk of conditions associated with elevated uric acid levels. Remember to consult a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more such interesting videos.